Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News Time. In this segment, now about Aisha Buhari and the rising insecurity in Nigeria. Now here we go, talk about. I remember say all the time the news they tell us say Aisha Buhari don't take off from Nigeria. And una they claim to us say na im husband dey for Aso Rock. And we don't ask una. You when they claim that thing, you dey with your wife inside your house. A lot of una when they in a government house there in Nigeria or in Aso Rock there. Including Garba Shehu, Femi Adesina, all of una dey with una wife. I don't ask una say, why can't be say a whole president of a nation when una claim na Muhammadu Buhari, his own wife, when get almost 4 to 5 children with him, not conde with him. Wetin make the woman run comot? The lady come tell us say, though na through the news, we not know whether na the lady dey yarn, we not know whether na Aso Rock Kabas dem dey yarn, like say na the lady dey yarn. Okay? First of all, they come tell us say, na because of insecurity matter. I come dey ask una say, why una dey complain? Why Aisha Buhari go dey complain about insecurity matter when her husband na number 1 in Nigeria? According to una claim, say na Buhari be that person when they for Aso Rock. Now im husband suppose fight the insecurity with his men, wey be the soldier men and the army people, the police people, the DSS people, and all whatnot. Today, we don't see the insecurity matter, they rise up and down. So Aisha come claim say na him make am run comot. To me, it don't make any sense. Say Aisha run comot because of insecurity matter. We know how that they play the games, their own games in Aso Rock. We know how the Kabas take fight Aisha Buhari. We know how the Kabas gonna tell us say Aisha Buhari na the snake when they among them. We know how the Buhari can talk say Aisha na a woman for the Zoza room and the Zoza room. We know how Aisha can come and tell us say Kabas say they don't hijack her husband the government. As soon as Nnamdi Kanu don't tell us say Buhari don't die, Aisha still come out. Can't let Nigerian people know say, my husband not deal, they don't hijack my husband government. Even talk to Osebanjo not shake body. Talk to everybody, no one shake body, no Nigerian person shake body. Buhari really run comot from that Aso Rock if she still dey alive in Dubai today. Meaning say the man when una dey claim say na her husband not dey alive, because Aisha no fit dey Dubai, her husband in Nigeria. Okay, let's say Aisha dey Dubai. Since Aisha don dey that Dubai, how many times una President Muhammadu Buhari don take at least holiday come go visit? As what they claim say na because of insecurity and na Buhari dey there. Buhari never travel to Dubai since when Aisha run comot from Aso Rock. Aisha don't let Nigerian people know say that person went there for Aso Rock when they claim say na Buhari, not be Buhari. So una when be Nigerian people, when they come out, they defend say na Buhari na husband though. All of una go see wetin una dey look for. They plant when all of una don't plant. The plant don't they eat fruit for una. That is the Boko Haram, the terrorism, the insecurity when they that country. Now be the fruit of una labor. So una they tell us say Aisha Buhari now don't break her silence. So okay, make we take a look see the reason why when Aisha Buhari boss come out. Once again, the lady don't let her know say her husband don't die since 2017. Forget all those Buhari say. The people when they say we know who be. Buhari not say anything. A dead man not a talk. A dead man cannot speak at all. This move when Aisha Buhari make don't already. The woman they tell you say she not dey secured, meaning say her husband not dey. Her husband not dey. There is nothing you can do about it. The woman don't tire. They don't call Nigeria to say make una rise up. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. So make we take a look. See the reason why when Aisha Buhari take come out again from Dubai. A husband in Nigeria. Adapt it, ladies and gentlemen. It's impossible. No president in this world, and when his wife not sit down with them in the seat of power, now only Nigeria this thing that happen. Now only Nigeria, all this nonsense that they possible. I say how many times now Una Buhari don't go visit her. Not be this Buhari when they travel up and down before be this one. When I tell us say, so suddenly all the whole sicknesses, everything don't cure one time. Why you people? Aisha Buhari breaks silence after months of disappearance from Aso Rock. Months of disappearance from Aso Rock. Now disappear, the woman disappear. Who know whether this same woman still dey alive? Remember, you get some videos when we don't do about 2-3 videos. When they ask Nigerian people say, where una first lady? Where Aisha Buhari? And I come inside that video, I come tell and say, after we don't ask about Aisha Buhari, before you know, Aisha Buhari go surface. The cabals go say, Aisha Buhari say, this one a woman when her so-called husband, the one that say na Buhari, not even send love message on her birthday celebration. Nothing. But the Buhari they busy, they send messages to different people. But to his own wife, when they claim say na Aisha husband be that one when that's all. Enough he say happy birthday my wife. Nothing. So una when be Nigerian people make una continue they there to the patch with this Buhari. That is why I don't tell them say they plant, they don't plant down there. It don't they yield fruit already. And the fruit are the insecurity. Because all of them they insincere. Everything in Nigeria now why you starting from the presidency. Everything about this presidency na wayo. Everything about this Buhari na wayo. Everything about Aisha Buhari na wayo. Sheikh Mamman Daura na wayo. All of them wayo. So how the country will take stand? The First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, has broken her silence months after she relocated to the United Arab Emirates from Nigeria. They tell you now say she relocated finally. That is bye-bye to Nigerian people. Anything we wanna see, we go take on her head carry am. Now, she done this evil. Now, so all those politicians, when he set, when he go really set, now so they go run, leave Nigerian people. Everybody on their own. Even the defense minister don't tell us say, make una dey defend on herself or say everybody dey on their own. When if he said today, somebody like Okorocha, them, all those rich people from the north, from the south, from the west, you know go see them again. You know go see them again with their family. Now so it will be that raining day when they come. Aisha had left the shore of Nigeria since last September after her daughter Hannah got married to her heart Rob in a nearly private wedding at the Aso Rock Villa. After she left, Nigerians kept asking questions over the disappearance of the First Lady from the country, and Aisha made it known that her reason for traveling out of the country is because her family is not safe in the Aso Rock Villa. So, if the First Lady family not dey safe, if for carry the Buhari go now, Buhari not be the number one man in the family. Now the Buhari one I tell us na be the boo. Nine be the number one in the family. Why the wife not carry and go? Aisha not safe, her children not safe, but they had Buhari contact safe. So, una they complain now, say, like a first lady now they complain. Who supposed to tackle the whole insecurity matter? Not the husband. That's another failure for the husband. If they tell you now, say, the so-called husband one that they claim, you don't fail now, me, I don't run leave all of una. As when I refuse to stand up, I don't let them say, this person not be my husband. Everything na force that they force me to do. Okay, make una rise up, una not rise up. So okay, I go run leave Nigeria for all of una. So anything we wanna see, una go manage them. So when they keep people now in Nigeria, when all these things they happen, all these insecurity matter they happen, if they affect Aisha Buhari with the children, no, na una. When be Nigerian people, when not agree, listen, na una it affects. However, Aisha Buhari, after months of silence, released statements to celebrate the International Women's Day, which she personally signed, tagged "Message of the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Aisha Muhammadu Buhari, on the occasion of the Women International Day 2021." In her statement, through her verified Twitter account, Aisha celebrated the International Women's Day across the world, saying the theme for the year is a strong call to appreciate the effort of women and girls in their fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, she expressed her displeasure as a mother over the abduction of Jengibe girls in Zamfara weeks ago by bandits, saying that she is aware of the damages the incident would have on their efforts over girls' child education and early marriages. She, however, called on the necessary stakeholders to employ a level of influence and bring the adoption to an end, and to ensure that girls are safe everywhere they find themselves in the country. So, when I don't hear with Naisha talk, whether Naisha they write, nobody know. Whether Naisha they talk, nobody know. I don't tell una say everything about una FG na fraud. All of them are fraudulent people. The foundation of APC na fraud. PDP na fraud. The man inside the Aso Rock na fraud. Osibanjo own na fraud. You na so the matter be. Make we just take a look on the rising insecurity matter. Make we see what happen here. About the same insecurity matter when make Aisha Buhari take off from Aso Rock. From paradise, Aisha don't leave Nigeria. Because that Aso Rock na their paradise. That is why you see all of them, they die to become Nigerian president. To further destroy the country. Not be to bring better thing, no, just to destroy the country. You know? The redeployment of the officers is coming amidst rising cases of Boko Haram attacks on army formations in the northeast region, banditry in the northwest, and crimes and killings across the country. Premium Times had exclusively reported that at least 7 soldiers of the Nigerian army were confirmed dead after an ambush by the terrorists. Una dey hear am so. Every time a terrorist they kill Nigerian army, because all of them are wayo people. They not one fight. Now then they still the same people. They sponsor them, and they reach the bad boys when they sponsor them. Go push them. Oh yeah, make una go in the front battle. When they reach the front battle without arms, Boko Haram will ground them. The terrorists will ground them. Now they tell you now say they don't kill another 7. President Muhammadu Buhari recently gave the service chief an ultimatum to secure the nation before the raining season starts. Raining season. Before the rainy season, every time the man they come, they give ultimatum. Every time this is what they talk about. Now so they go give and give and give and give and give and their 3 years go finish. They don't go with that. 2023 go come, it go. Just the same way when Boratai take escape the whole thing. Borata don't pull in head say no, thank God, not be my head. That one don't go. Now so APC people go they tell you say they give ultimatum, they give now raining season now they talk again. No, not be 7 days, not be 1 year, raining season again. After that raining season now, the mango, the APC, the cabals will come out again, give another ultimatum. Then they grant, then they go. Then they grant, then they go. Until then go leave that seat where they in 2023. These people that they give big names. A lot of names when I call here. But the thing when they funny there, when I not understand. Now about Ona Buhari, when they always give order, and order not the whole water. He go give ultimatum, not the whole water. You know the reason why? Now because the chief in command when be the Buhari not there. That is why things fall apart in that country. That is why these people they no go fit coordinate anything because they no they tell anybody the truth. Even them when be the army people when they fight this fight, they no they tell themselves the truth. I mean the news don't tell us how Gumi tell us say where the bandit they stay, where they live, their compound. Now so it talk am say their compound near army barrack, near army post. So meaning say this army people then they safeguard the bandits them. Now the thing when Gumi come and tell everybody, even the same Gumi don't claim say now army people they know everything. Our bandit people they don't want to go fight. Even one DSS officer retired don't come and say no be say army not know where they dey, but they not fit go there. Can you imagine? But they not fit go there, go fight the fight. So why is it that every time Una president they can't give this kind of order? According to Una say na Muhammadu Buhari when a wife don't run live am, nine they give Una the order. So when Nigerian people go take learn lesson of this their Buhari and APC and PDP people, when not they work, when not they bring progress to that country, all the whole thing where they bring come that country now destruction all the time. Everything about these Fulani people now destruction. Look at Lagos. Look at where they rear their cow in Lagos, where they sell cows in Lagos. If you enter Lagos from the east, look at everywhere. Everything about these people now destruction. I wonder why and how Nigerian people, when they very educated, though a lot of them when they claim say they educated, now Oluwole all of them carry. So I wonder why they claim too much or so much love for these people where they call Fulani people. The same Fulani people, now then they come, they attack on her. The same Fulani people, now then be the whole terrorists when they're in Nigeria. The same Fulani people, now then they destroy that nation. I just wonder. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear what the Aisha Buhari talk, say, in fee for those people, when the kidnappers kidnap, make the people when the influential men when they're in Nigeria, may they try to, or when they are sort of, may they try to say they stop this banditry. Why she not come talk to her Buhari when we say na Buhari ona they talk say na him lead that Nigeria as ona president. Husband make sure say you secure the release of those people. Or my husband make sure say all these things when they happen in Nigeria make it stop. If una they claim say na Buhari be that person when they there, why she can't they call influential people when they that country and not her husbands? I just wonder. So this is why you una know say the man when be the Buhari, according to una, now the man be the commander-in-chief, which is Aisha Buhari's husband, according to una claim. Now the man supposed to solve the problem when they that country. But Aisha now they point her finger towards other people. That is once again to confirm to you, say Buhari don't go long time. So ladies and gentlemen, now here we will stop this segment. If you wanna get anything on can tell us, we're gonna come down to our comment section, good or bad, comment. And before you stand up, make sure you subscribe to my channel. One love everybody, and see you guys next time.